Yo, what's up, guys? It's Bumblemus Prime, and today I'm gonna be reacting on Sonic Boom Season 2, Episode 50, Return to Beyond the Village of the Cubots. Oh, and look who's here with me. Look at this. It's my pet Iris. Say hi, Iris.
Hi.
Yeah. She's so cute, isn't she? Oh, wait, she's gonna watch this with me. So let's start. Where'd to start, Iris? Where'd to start? Okay, let's begin. Once again. Excuse me. 3, 2, 1. Let's roll out to action. Oh, hey, it's.
Shifting spin.
Oh, I forgot his name. What's his name?
Why did Eggman ever get rid of you? You're the greatest helper I've ever had.
Aw,
Give me that
Hearts. I forgot his name. I saw him in the video game.
What's the matter? Did Timmy fall down a well? Why didn't you catch it using your powers? Don't worry about it. I'll clean this up while you run into town and get me the parts for a new one.
He's, Ragnium-bot. Oh, yeah, Ragnium-bot. Now I remember.
Did Timmy fall down a well?
No, he wants the broom.
I see. If you want to use the restroom, you have to buy something.
Hey, Defect.
Oh, Defect. He has a new name now. Defect. I didn't know that.
Looking for a loaf of bread or a penguin wearing a top hat. I'm leaning toward penguin.
It's a broom.
No, it's a book. It's a movie.
Star Wars.
Oh, it's a movie based on a book.
Harry Potter.
What's all this? I just sent Defect out to get parts for a new trans-seismic macro accelerator.
This would have been a whole lot easier if Defect could just talk.
Maybe I could install a voice chip. I know I have one around here somewhere. You had a voice chip the whole time? Why didn't you install it earlier? Guess I needed an inciting incident.
So, Defect's like Bumblebee.
That should do it. Say something.
What should I say? I want my first voice to be meaningful, and I already blew it, didn't I? It's okay. You're new at this. Finally, I can express complex thoughts and emotions. For example, I hate being a lab assistant. Tails is great, but I want to find my true purpose. Something that will give my life meaning. Ice cream! I got ice cream here!
Vanilla, please.
Vanilla coming up.
Defect, you're really making a difference. Chocolate.
Pistachio.
Something I can eat without my teeth in.
Chocolate, pistachio, and strawberry coming right up.
Come on, guys. Let's make like a banana split and leave.
Banana split. I get it, because you have ice cream.
You're fired. Don't take it too hard. Not everyone is built for the high-pressure world of street-side food carts. That's why I got you a new gig as a trainer at my gym. The key is to be encouraging but firm.
Excuse me. Oh, hey, Dave.
May I
Yeah, you're not
suggest
built
you
for
try
this.
harder? I hope that was firm enough.
Help
Oh, hey, Tommy.
Watch how you treat Tommy Thunder, you computerized clod.
Hey, don't talk to
Never like
Defect.
that, masseuse. He always rubbed me the wrong way. Ah, let's keep this open mic night moving with the comedy stylings of Defect.
So you ever notice how AA batteries come in packs of 4, but remote controls come in packs of 1? Oh, what's the deal with dual-core processors?
They're an outdated technology, just like you.
Eggman.
What a loser.
Aw, poor Defect.
I'm a failure. Even my creator thinks I'm an embarrassment.
Don't take it personally. Eggman's mean to all his rejected robots.
There are other rejected robots?
Yep.
These robots are all rejects just like you.
Yeah, especially, Friendbot.
Well, maybe not just like you.
Where is he, anyways? Oh, great. The girl one. Oh, I see. He has a lover.
Defect. These are the cubots. So, guys, how's life here treating you?
Oh, great! Wait, not great. Now that Friendbot's in Roebuck and we're totally unprotected.
Oh, yeah.
Well, then today is your lucky day.
You mean I found a new hat while I was walking through the forest?
No, you're lucky because I'm now here to protect you. Especially you. Well, have fun assimilating.
You should give these guys all names instead of calling them all
Eggman's afraid
cubots.
we'll rebel against him. Not that we could launch a rebellion. He's got super weapons. And what do we have? We have a rock. Now, where did I put it? Huh, I guess we don't have a rock.
Well, now you've got me.
Whoa! He made the ground go down.
Robot brethren, no longer shall our kind live in fear. I've been looking for meaning in my life, and I finally found it. I'm going to lead your rebellion against our creator, Dr. Eggman.
Hey, we also have pitchforks.
Pinch. I believe I can fly. I mean, ability. Or, I don't know the word.
Prepare for retribution, Eggman.
Prepare for retribution. I'm always prepared for retribution. You know I'm wide it's like.
Racer beetles and obliterator bot.
Those reject bots are no match for my army. What are you gonna do? Throw them at us?
Yep. Well, he's using the force.
Next time I'll keep my ideas to myself.
Huh. Just like Legos.
I'll never give up. I give up.
Happy anniversary, Defect. It's been 24 hours since you went out on your own, and hey, where's Defect?
And where are the cubots? And where are their pitchforks? We
Wait.
better pay Dr. Mustache a visit.
Did you give them the
Sweet
pitchforks?
master, this floor is made up of a special polymer of my own design. It repels dust and never needs sweep.
That's more like it. You know, I can get used to this.
Good.
Never thought I'd see that. I thought these floors didn't need sweeping.
That's what I've been saying.
Fetch my guest some beverages. He's not very bright, but he's learning.
You know, I sort of feel bad for lemonade.
Seriously, you guys care about lemonade?
Eggman can use a taste of his own medicine. After all, revenge is sweet.
Sweet, sweet revenge. Hey, the ice cream. Oh, now I see what Defect's gonna do. He's gonna get revenge on the people who made fun of him. The Ice Cream Man, Tommy Thunder, and
So
Comedy
Mike
Jim.
says to the judge, that's my side of the story. Now let me tell you his side.
Iris, go get him. Come here, Iris.
Looks like it's curtains for me. Ah!
Sonic was right. Revenge is sweet.
Look at Iris.
Not what I meant. It was okay when I did it to Eggman. Why not everyone else who wronged me?
It's not that simple.
If you're not with me, you're against me.
Uh-oh. This looks like a Star Wars thing with Anakin. If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
I'll figure a way out of here.
Oh, hey, Orbot.
Sorry, Cubot sick.
Cubot.
But I feel fine, boss.
The original Cubot.
How about now? Ah!
Seriously, they should stop putting that subtract button on their
The
heads.
only way I'm going to defeat that reject is if I have telekinetic abilities of my own.
But how are you going to do that? When you built Defect, he wound up with those powers by accident.
Yeah, with the Ragnium.
I made a prototype defect, but I never got it fully operational. I'll pull out the parts and put them in another piece of hardware.
defect. You were the chosen one. Bring balance to the universe, not lead it to darkness. Where's Styx when you need her? She's the one that can handle him.
Hey, e50, wanna play catch?
Oh, heck yeah. I love this song. I don't know what it is. It's kind of catchy. I wish Silver were here. I mean, he has telekinesis too. Uh-oh.
Don't you hurt a hair on her perfect, cute head.
Lousy blue menace. That's no good.
Huh, you're bald. Got your goggles. Aww. Oh.
Thank you for saving Cubot. That makes us square. But be warned, I found my true calling. To protect these Cubots, be it from Eggman's robots or any organic life forms that we perceive as a threat.
So, are they good guys or bad guys?
Sometimes, life's a little more complicated than that.
So they're good, bad guy gals?
Good,
I
bad.
understand.
Do you? Do you, Knuckles? Huh? Do you? Do you understand him, Iris? Do you understand him? Huh? Well, anyways, guys, that was my reaction on Season 2, Episode 50, Return of the Beyond the Villainy of the Cubots. But seriously, they should give some of the Cubots names, like the one with the tie bot, and the glasses one, glass bot, and the green one, green bot, and eye patch, the eye patch one, eye bot, and of course the one with the hair one is I don't know, cute bot. Oh yeah, I like that, cute bot. All she needs is just, a makeover. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on the next episode, on a reaction episode. And remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and smash it to a million pieces. I'll see you guys later. Iris, ready to exit the video? Look at Iris. She's so cute, isn't she?